DaVinci Hand Split Shake Siding Installation at Terminations. When shakes are butted to an inside or outside corner trim or window and door surround, it will be common to have the need for a specific size piece. All cut edges should butt to the corner or trim attachment with the factory edge to the field joint side. At top course terminations, a partial, less than full height course may be necessary. These pieces may be secured with a 15-gauge corrosion-resistant finish nail through the face of the shake. If the trim attachment, such as a freeze board or dental molding, is to be used, which covers to the top portion of the last course, roofing nails or appropriate screws may be used. Position all fasteners a minimum of 1/2 inch from the shake edge. Corrosion-resistant trim screws may also be used. On gable ends and wall-to-roof junctures, less than full-size angle-cut pieces may be secured with a 15-gauge corrosion-resistant finish nail through the face of the shake. Position all nails a minimum of 1/2 inch from the shake edge. Corrosion-resistant trim screws may also be used. J-channel type trim of sufficient receiver thickness may be used at multiple trim locations, including corners and door and window surrounds. Deep pocket J-channel products are available from various manufacturers. Do not install shakes tight against the inside of the J-channel, and do not fill the J-channel with caulk or sealant. Visit our installation video library for product and condition-specific installation guidelines.